Hey there, fellow adventurers of the business world. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of procurement, where we'll unravel the mysteries of PunchOut catalogs. Yup, you heard me right, PunchOuts. Now, I know what you're thinking: what's a PunchOut and why should I care? Well, my curious friends, grab your virtual hard hats, because we're about to embark on a procurement journey that's going to change the way you think about buying stuff for your business. Alright, let's break it down. Imagine this: you're on a quest to stock up your office with essentials, copy paper, printer ink, and a new mouse pad. The traditional ways of procurement, like cash in hand, purchase orders, and credit cards, might have been the norm in the past, but let's be honest, they're like playing a game of spot the mistake with a blindfold on. Unauthorized purchases, improper spending, sounds like a recipe for disaster, right? But fear not, because here's where the magic happens: modern procurement systems and the incredible PunchOut process. Picture this as a system within a system, a portal to a world of efficiency and accuracy. Suppliers create PunchOut catalogs that integrate seamlessly with your procurement software. So, when you're hunting for supplies, your trusty employee logs into the procurement system, selects their favorite supplier, and voila! They're in the online catalog, just like magic. Your employee browses through items, adds them to the cart, and with a wave of their virtual wand, they request checkout. The system's automated wizards swoop in, get approvals if needed, and issue a purchase order. Smooth, right? But wait, there's more. Now, let's compare this magical PunchOut to the alternatives: the trusty supplier catalog and the flashy e-commerce websites. Supplier catalogs, they're like a static map in a dynamic world. Updates? Yeah, right? Say goodbye to real-time info and hello to outdated spreadsheets. But PunchOuts? They're like having a crystal ball that predicts stock levels and updates faster than you can say PunchOut party. And e-commerce websites, while groovy for personal shopping, can be a bit clunky for big league procurement. PunchOuts? They're like the VIP pass to the procurement party. Super convenient, right in your system, no more switching windows, and definitely no accidental 100-box paper fiascos. Trust me, I've seen it all. Now, let's talk about the ultimate PunchOut perks: automatic purchase orders. Forget filling out documents, forget chasing your supplier with emails, it's all a breeze when your procurement system and PunchOut dance in perfect harmony. Alright, folks, if you're a business looking to win big in the procurement game, PunchOut catalogs are your secret weapon. They're the golden ticket to attracting big-time customers who love efficiency as much as they love their morning coffee.